Hello good guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll show you how to make your electric piano sound more smoother on FL Studio Mobile. So for mobile users, if you want to make your electric piano sound more smoother, this video is for you. And before we can move ahead, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell to get notified anytime I drop another tutorial on YouTube. So without wasting time, let's get started. This is our chord. Yeah, this is our electric piano chord. As you can see, we haven't inserted any presets at all to make it sound more smoother. So these are a sound without any presets. Yeah, that's how your Epiano sounds without any preset. So now let's move on. Let's add some presets to make it smoother. So guys, the first step we have to add some equalizer. Yeah, some equalizer. And on the first section, we need to remove the low frequency. So you put it on low shelf, you move your frequency backward, and you reduce. Now let's leave it on minus 12.0 dB. Now let's go to the last section, that is band 4. Let's put it on high shelf to remove the high frequency. Now you move it, then you reduce it. Then you move your frequency backward. You do the same on this. Okay, so let's check the sound. So that's the perfect one. So the next step we have to take, and the next preset we're gonna put is filter. Let's add some filter. So on this what filter really does is to make your sound more smoother and the rest. So let's check it. So guys, yeah, this is perfect. Then the next one we're going to put is a reverb. Yeah, let's put some reverb. Then you select reverb 2. You can also use reverb 1. Like I like using this reverb 2 to make my sounds. So we'll turn up the low cuts, then the high cuts a little bit, 7 point something. Then turn up the wet volume a little bit. Then you move to tune, reduce the bars. Okay. So guys, the next step is we have to remove some velocity. We have to remove some velocity. So yeah, we have to remove. So you select the down octave. Sorry. So you can see. So what you have to do is to reduce. So the next one is panning. Let's pan the high octave. Okay, so let's check it. Wow, that's nice. So on the DW sampler, we have to reduce the release. So guys, that's it. That's how to make your electric piano sound more smoother on FL Studio Mobile. Remember, if you still have some ideas on how to make it more smoother than mine, you have to put it on the comment section. So for me to take the correction, or if you have any correction at all, put it on the comment section. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please after this video hit on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell.